Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apache Airflow web server with RBAC beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Apache Airflow web server with role-based access control, first, ensure that you have Apache Airflow installed and running on your machine. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type the URL for your Apache Airflow web server. Typically, this is http://localhost 8080 if you are running it locally. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the login screen. Here, you will need to enter your username and password. If you are using the default setup, the username is usually set to admin and the password is also admin. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to the Airflow web interface. In case you encounter an error, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you have not set up any users, you may need to follow the steps to create an admin user using the command line. To create a new user, open your terminal or command prompt. Activate your Airflow environment if it's not already activated. Run the command Airflow users create followed by the necessary parameters including username, password, role, email, and first and last name. After executing this command, you should see a confirmation message indicating the user has been created. You can now return to the web browser and attempt to log in again with the new credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigate through the various features. You are now ready to work with Apache Airflow while taking advantage of its role-based access security features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.